Guys, we are here in the new house. So that tomorrow, before we bring all the things, the house is already clean. This is our kitchen. See, the house is full of mirror, a glass. And we don't have a nice view because our view is all the wall of our neighbor. This is our washing. There, they buy a new washing machine in the fridge. We bring the fridge in the old house and we're gonna put the gas range here this side. That's the plug of the gas range. Okay. And this room is became my room. And the room is in the other room. And we have a small balcony here. Very tiny balcony. This is our tiny balcony. I'll put the map here so that it will dry up. And they neighbor, all neighbors. See, in the back, my back side, street there is the lake park. Going to Cornish Beach. The lake park is near here only. See, this house is almost all glass.